Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And today we'll discuss about test-driven development with rspec in Ruby and Rails. So here I'm using Cloud9 as editor, and today we are to pass our first test also. And first I'm creating my new workspace in Cloud9. So the application name is the users list, and then the Ruby. So create workspace. So now I'm adding rspec gem, and before that is my Rails version is the 4.2.4. It's a default version in Cloud9. So I'm changing to 5.1.6. So then I'm commenting these versions. It may raise problem in error bundle. So I'm adding rspec-rails gem under development and test group. So rspec-rails. So bundle update. So now all our gems are updated. So now I'm installing rspec. So Rails generate rspec install. So it will create a rspec folder. So this is the rising in the transactional callbacks. So in config application data rp. So I'm going to comment this line. Now generate rspec. So it created a folder spec and having so Rails helper and a spec helper. So now I'm generating my first scaffold. Rails generate. So user info, having the name, yeah, it's generated. So I'm going to migrate this reactdb by migrate. So we don't need helper method, so I will delete this. So now run our test. So with the command called bundle execute rspec. So okay, we have to change the column name, so we can't use the type. So I'm rollbacking my migration. So then even I'm destroying my scaffold. So I need to delete the files inside spec. So this is as a user type. So now migrate. So now we can run our first spec rspec. Yeah, now we got. So the total 27 examples and the 13 days of pending. So as I told, we don't need any help words, so I'm deleting this. So if I use my controller, so in this Here you find few keywords for rspec. The let is as an rspec core method, and skip will help us. It will call always as a pending. Okay, first we'll pass our first test. So here you find the valid attributes. So the valid attributes are two, whatever I given. So the two attributes are name and user type. So I'm passing these two attributes as a hash. So the first is the name and second one is user type. Okay, the name is Ganesh. This user's type. So if they are my best friends in the list, I want to store. So if I again run my test, so now see the only the 4 are pending. So before that we have almost the 13 are pending. So we passed our first test. In next video we'll see about some validations and model tests also. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video and please subscribe to my case.